When it comes to snow, go with Joe. Introducing the Snow Joe Ultra SJ625E electric snowblower. Snow Joe Ultra delivers the power of a gas machine with the performance of an electric for unlimited snow shredding operation, driven by a robust 15-amp motor. Ultra moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. Its durable steel auger with 2 rubber blades cuts a path 21 inches wide by 12 inches deep with each pass. The adjustable discharge chute rotates a full 180 degrees to direct the snow stream up to 20 feet away, while the onboard 3-watt headlight shines bright to make nighttime clearing safe and easy. Easy Glide all-terrain wheels make the Snow Joe Ultra easy to turn and maneuver with each pass. And the scraper blade at the base of the unit efficiently scrapes the snow clear to the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. Ultra is ETL approved and comes with a full 2-year warranty. So, when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The SJ625E Ultra electric snowblower. From Snow Joe, get equipped.
Meet Ion, the completely cordless, battery-powered snowblower from Snow Joe. Ion makes it quick and easy to clear snow off your driveways and walkways. No back pain from shoveling, no cords to trip over, no gas and oil to mix or fumes to inhale. Just whisper quiet clearing with a revolutionary tool that gets the job done. The first cordless snowblower of its kind, Ion operates on a rechargeable 40-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers 4.0 amp hours of no-fade power for maximum job performance. At just under 32 pounds, Ion is lightweight enough to easily maneuver, yet still packs a punch, moving up to 495 pounds of snow per minute. Quickly clear paths 18 inches wide by 8 inches deep and control the snow's direction up to 20 feet away with an automatic joystick. Ion powers on with the push of a button and has an LED headlight for nighttime snow removal. Featuring EcoSharp technology, Ion delivers 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge with 0 carbon emissions for cleaner air. Compact and lightweight, Ion can be easily transported inside the trunk of your car or hung neatly from a garage hook. Compared to those hefty and cumbersome gas machines, Ion takes up minimal space and is completely maintenance-free. Experience the eco-friendly power of the gas-free and cord-free Ion and clear out fast from tough winter messes. But be warned, your neighbors might start lining up to borrow your cool winter tool. Don't forget to check out the other tools in the Ion series, including the Ion Snow Shovel, the Ion Lawnmower, the Ion Chainsaw, and the Ion Pole Saw. Now you can blow snow, mow grass, cut wood, and saw trees with the same interchangeable battery and one revolutionary cordless system. Ion from Snow Joe. Cut the cord.
The YARDMAX 24-inch 2-stage snowblower. This mid-sized 2-stage snowblower easily tackles moderate to heavy snowfall with ease and reliability. With 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse, you can easily control the removal of snow up to 21 inches deep, clearing a 24-inch path. Featuring an electric start snow engine, it easily starts in the harshest of conditions with the push of a button or a pull of the rope. The axe-shaped auger and 12-inch high-speed impeller rapidly consumes the heaviest of snow, throwing it through an extended solid steel chute. All engineered for maximum throwing distance and minimal blowback. Easily aim the snow where you want with an easy-to-reach crank control for on-the-fly adjustment. With the flexibility of full-time 2-wheel drive when extra traction is required, or 1-wheel drive for better maneuverability. YARDMAX practicality and performance without breaking the bank. Max value, max performance. That's YARDMAX. Tame the great outdoors.